In this video, we'll recap couple of formulas and couple of concepts what you have studied last year, right, in trigonometry chapter. Now we'll start with the very basic, very easy, the multiple angles. See, in multiple angles itself, you have 2 theta and 3 theta, or 2x and 3x, right? Now what we'll do, every multiple function or every multiple angle has different ways of representing the answer. What I mean by different ways of representing, in the sense, sine 2x has two formulas. One way of representing is in terms of sine. One more way of representing is in terms of tan. Likewise, cos has 4 different forms. Now we are going to look into each form. Okay, I'm not going to derive anything because the derivation has already been done for you in the last year. And also, if you want, just go for the previous video what we have done and go look into that video. Now, I'm just going to give you the formula and make you understand how we utilize this in the upcoming problems. All right. First, we'll start with sine 2x. It's a very simple direct formula. Now, when we have sine 2x, now this is given by the first formula is 2 sin x into cos x. Correct? 2 sin x into cos x. Now what we are, see, why I'm telling you this is, in the inverse trigonometric function also, you had 2 sin inverse x formula, right? Now, if you recall that, it's fantastic. If you don't, you might as well use this formula because this is much more easier to apply, that's all. There is one more formula with respect to tan. Now, tan is probably the most versatile trigonometric function because you can convert sine 2x in terms of tan, cos 2x in terms of tan, and of course tan 2x is in terms of tan. That's why tan is very important. So sine 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Another formula, this one is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Alright. Now these are the two formulas what we have for sine function, sine 2x. Fine. The next we'll go for cosine. Now cos 2x, this one has 4 of them, 4 formulas are there. Now the first one is quite an easy one, which is cos square x minus sine square x. This we generally do not use. Generally, I'm saying, okay, not that you don't use it at all. Generally, you do not use. The next one is 2 cos square x minus 1. Alright, the next one is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Now, these two formulas, what we have, these two, we use this mostly in integral. Mostly we use this in integral. Whenever you have cos square x integration or whenever you have sine square x integration, we generally use these two formulas. Alright, and there is one more in terms of tan, and that one is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now the last one, that is this one and this one, we use it for the derivatives. So this we use for differentiation, this also we use it for differentiation. Sometimes we use this for differentiation. Sometimes. So we have sine 2x, we have cos 2x, and for which particular type of calculus function, which formula we are going to use, right? So mostly, I'm not saying all the cases, most of the times we use these particular formulas. All right, now let's recap the tan 2x formula. Tan 2x, this is given by 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. See, this is basically tan 2x. Fine. So we have sine, cosine, and tan. These are the 3 formulas. Now 3 multiple angles we discussed, that is 2x forms. Now we'll do the same thing for 3x. First we have sine 3x. Sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. This is the first one. Right, next is cos 3x. This is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Second, third one is tan 3x. This is nothing but 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Right, so these are the three formulas what we have. Now for 2x and for 3x. Now most of the derivative, inverse trigonometric derivative, we are going to use any one of the forms. Like what I explained in the 2x, different formulas and different forms. We are going to use it depending on the question, depending on the range. You also saw the range in the table what I just displayed in the last video, isn't it? So whatever the table you have, whatever the range, now most of the questions, they will provide you with the range. You don't have to worry about the range though. Okay. Now from the next video onwards, we'll start with problems. There are different types of problem, more than different types, there are multiple problems, and we'll solve those multiple problems. Then you will understand how to solve the problems in finding the derivative of inverse trigonometric function.